this is a highly disciplined society, well structured. And your contribution is immense and is very important to us. Back home, the reform is working. The economy has turned the corner. It's no more on the edge of bankruptcy. It's taken off for growth. And for us, we owe it a duty to you, whether in Nigeria, diaspora, or no matter where you are as a Nigerian, to break and to lead. I like what our brother is doing on the sport, reflecting a Nigerian name, a Nigerian pride. Thank you. Whatever is the obstacle back home, we will solve that. I'm a very serious sport enthusiast, and I will work on that. To all the students and other professionals, a promise of today is that Nigeria will be governed transparently, consistently, with value for progress. Among every 5 black people is a Nigerian. You have a reputation to protect. That is Nigeria. That green, white, green flag means so much to all of us. Like I said this morning, none of us has the control of where we were born. That is God given to our parents. Your tribe doesn't matter. You have no control over it. You are born into a family, whether in Lokoja, Zaria, or Lagos. And that's what you grow to know. So it is our responsibility to work together and bond together. I was trained outside the country, partly in the country and outside the country. But the surprising thing is, you can behave back home differently. You can be tribal. You can be ethnic. But once you get out, Nigeria is one. And so why can't we build that one back home? Making sure that we are one family under God. We have same thing. We have no control of the tribe or ethnic, or regardless. And this is what is happening here. If they've been through the turmoil of genocide and all of that, but they come to neutralize the past and embrace the future. And that is what we must always do. Whichever way we can help and be a proud Nigeria, We work hard to build a great economy and successful country. If we don't do it, nobody will do it for us. It's your character here that will reflect what you will get back home. You continue to persevere, you continue to endure. All I can promise you as a leader is that I will lead with sincerity. Regardless of tribe, religion, I don't care. But one thing I leave with you, choose your friends. Let nobody choose your friends for you. And be your brother's keeper. Always. It pays off. What else do I promise you? Governance. Nigeria's prosperity is beginning to manifest itself. I will continue to work hard to make sure that we realize our dreams and leave a legacy of continuity, of progress, inclusiveness, and prosperity. That's all I can promise you.
Thank you very much, Excellency.